Have you ever thought about it as to that which is a field which has exponentially grown in last 10 years? It's a known answer. Definitely it is information technology sector. But at the same time, it has given rise to huge cyber crimes, which has really increased 200% from 2012 to 2022. You can become a real lawyer just over a period of a year or so, instead of a long gestation period of 7 to 8 years. The time has come for you to really understand what is cyber forensics, which helps you in learning how the data is analyzed, investigated, and how it should be produced before the honorable courts to win your cases. Let success be in your pocket. This is Shanta Devi Raman, an advocate practicing in Supreme Court and High Court in various fields of law. So I am conducting a workshop on cyber forensics. It is being organized by MC&ME, and I'll be able to explain to you as to what are the laws which is relevant to understand the cyber forensics and cyber jurisprudence. So the details are as follows.
To attend our workshop, please click on the link below, and the workshop is on 19th of February at 11 a.m. Thank you very much.